I'm coming to you with a review. This review is from my friends over at Xiuyuan. They reached out to me again. Thank you, Xiuyuan, for sponsoring this video. They reached out to me to review some more hair for them, and I'm excited about it and excited to bring this to you all. So yeah, as you know, if you watched my previous video with the pink and purple hair that I did, braiding hair, you would know that they are a Amazon-based hair company. And I wanted to come on here and just share this new hair that they sent to me. So if I look different, it's because I have where they shaved my hair down. I went ahead and just chopped it off, y'all. Yeah, because the majority of the time I wear wigs anyway, so yeah, went ahead and just chopped it off. But they sent me this hair here. Excuse me, y'all, just finished eating. And it looks like this in the pack. And this hair is their, and I have my notes, it's their 6-piece 14-inch Bohemian water wave hair. And this hair can be used for passion twist or crochet hair. If you're not familiar with passion twist, I will insert a picture just so you can get a glimpse of what passion twists look like. So you can use this for passion twist, or you can use it to crochet in your hair. They also put a crocheting needle in the pack when you receive your hair. But yeah, so in this pack you're going to get 6 packs of Bohemian water wave hair, and I'm going to be using this hair to make a passion twist wig. So you have, like I said, 6 packs of this hair, and it looks like this in the pack. All hair is individually packaged. It comes out to be 100 grams per pack and 28 strands per pack. This color that I chose is 1B27. I wanted 1B27. I was thinking about doing 1B, but I was like, nah, I want to do some color. So yeah, trying to get it open so I can show y'all what it looks like outside of the package. And it looks like this. It is super soft. Like, it is super duper soft, y'all. But it looks like that. So pretty. So pretty. Each, I want to say it's folded. The bundle is folded in half, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, it's folded in half. And like I said, you get all of this hair right here in one package, y'all. So this particular color right here retails for $32.99, and then it comes in 3 other colors, which is 1B, a number 2, and T30. And T30 is, it's like ombre as well. It's ombre as well. It's like faded from top into to the color 30. Lord, I can't talk. So yeah, this is lightweight, tangle free, shedding free, has no smell. It has no smell at all, y'all. And it's easy to twist or install. And the 1B retails for $29.99 because that's pretty much like a solid color. I don't know why the number 2 wouldn't retail for it, but I guess 1B is more of a common color, you know, so that is only $20.99. But like I said, you get all of these, you get 6 packs of hair in one pack, and usually that's more than enough. I know when I used their other hair before, like I had hair that I dipped in multiple times. Oh Lord, y'all. Lights is always blinking around here. But I have hair that I dipped in multiple times to do my baby's hair, and yeah, plenty of hair. Why is the lights blinking? And it's not even storming outside. Alright. Anyway, sorry y'all. Something fail. I know the kids probably gonna come running in here shortly. But I also have a, sorry y'all, the light situation kind of threw me off. I know, they keep blinking. Go ahead, go back in there, I'm coming. Go back in there, I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. But I knew they was coming. I don't know why the light's blinking. Because it's not storming. This is so weird, y'all. I swear it's weird around here. Because supposedly, like, I know this is off subject, but our apartment complex is built over top of a mine. And I found this out from doing research in my area. So sometimes, like, I be feeling like, you know, some stuff is associated with us being over top of it. I don't know. Anyway, I will put a coupon code down below. I have a coupon code where you can save, I think it's like $5 or $10 off your order. So I will drop it down below so you love can check out this hair. Like I said, lately I've been getting all of my braiding hair and all that good stuff off of Amazon because it's cheaper that way. And sometimes it's easier to find it that way as well. This hair will probably run you about, especially it being tangle free, being high quality, good quality hair, it will probably run you about $6 to $10 these days, this kind of hair. So when you get 6 packs in a bundle for only $32.99, that is a camera cut me off, but yeah, so when you get 6 packs in a bundle for $32.99, and if you're a Prime member, you get free shipping. Like, it's an awesome deal. And like I said, I do have a coupon code for you lovies for you to use to save you some coin off of this hair or whatever. So, and my coupon code is actually good for any hair sold by this company where you're able to save you some money off. So yeah, once again, this is the Passion Twist Bohemian Water Wave hair. I can't wait to use it. I will be coming back and showing you lovies how I construct my unit. I'm going to basically like throw in snippets of how I construct my unit and just have my unit ready to show you all. Definitely stay tuned for the ombre color hair. I know y'all have seen me on Instagram with that specific color, that unit on that I made with the other hair, but I will be making a video as well with that hair showing you all how I constructed the unit and all that good stuff. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for those videos. I will be getting them done and uploading them. Just bear with me. I be wanting to do, you know, get this stuff out, y'all, but I have to take my time, and y'all know my situation. So yeah, but Hope you lovers enjoyed this video. I definitely appreciate all of the support. Thank you for continuing to support my channel, and hi to all my new lovies. Welcome to the 3L gang. Make sure you hit that bell. It is free. Make sure you hit that like button. It's free. It does not cost you anything to hit that like button. It does not cost you anything to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.